Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for educational purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, optionpitmembers.com/easy123, 12 days away, my first options made easy free webinar. It should be worth it. Spend the time. Let's talk about what is going on in the world. And what I want to point out is that the market is up again. Continues to ignore everything. In fact, the VIX is dropping. So despite all the headlines that may read, oh, turmoil, impeach, 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 the VIX is saying it ain't going to happen. So let's talk about who's winning and who's losing today. Let's start with NVDA, which is just insane. It is off to the races. It is an unstoppable force. Just goes up and up and up. We've now built a couple like this. I've now built 3 trades that have done well off of the move in NVIDIA. But this is also a good lesson on when your trade starts to work, take your money. In the major indexes, the RUT is the trailer and the Dow, with the NASDAQ leading the way, mostly because, you can see BABA is killing it, that good earnings, which is helping out a lot of the FANG names. Good earnings out of Alibaba. The S&P is up marginally. The RUT is up marginally. The Dow is up marginally. The only one that's really moving is the NASDAQ, and that is, again, because of Alibaba. There's meetings in Jackson Hole. That seems to be a little bit of a headline leader, along with some China-U.S. trade stuff. But, none of that seems to be making a huge difference. Some other things that I'm watching, Best Buy has earnings coming up next week. We still have a lot of the retailers announcing, so their earnings is mostly done, HPQ after Bell, but it's not entirely done. So there's still some things going on from an earnings standpoint. On our ETFs and indexes, pretty mixed bag. Tech's up, discretionary is up, but industrial and financials are pretty flat, with energy down. That's mostly because if you look at oil, not really doing much. Pretty flat. Square and NVIDIA continue to be off the races. Those are great companies that continue to just push higher. Microsoft as well. The thing in chat today, I'm going to talk about kind of when I'm looking for a top in NVIDIA and what I'll be watching for. So that should be absolutely worth the listen. All right, folks. On the day, I'm looking at, we could get near 11.5 by the end of the day, and I think the market's going to push itself higher. Hope everybody has a great morning, and I will talk to you soon.